Friends, you can improve your English easily only by doing practice, and you don't need to go any coaching center and you don't need to spend your money there. So friends, what you need to do, in this video I will share with you 30 most important English sentences which are very helpful for you. And friends, I will also give you 3 seconds in each sentence so that you can do practice with me. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Poonam and let's start the video. Let's begin. The first one is, मेरा दरवाजा आपके लिए हमेशा खुला है. My door is always open for you. My door is always open for you. Now it's your turn. The next one is, मैं इस अनुभव को कभी नहीं भूलूंगी. I will never forget this experience. I will never forget this experience. Now it's your turn. The next one is, उसे जल्दी ही पता चल जाएगा. He will come to know very soon. He will come to know very soon. Now it's your turn. The next one is, तुमने मेरा नंबर ब्लॉक क्यों किया? Why did you block my number? Why did you block my number? Now it's your turn. The next one is, उससे कोई उम्मीद रखना ही बेकार है. It's useless to expect anything from him. It's useless to expect anything from him. Now it's your turn. The next one is, सच कहूँ तो मुझे उससे नफरत है. To be honest, I hate him. To be honest, I hate him. Now it's your turn. The next one is, मेरी कोई मदद नहीं कर रहा है. Friends, you can use this sentence that time if you are seeking for help and no one is helping you. So you can say, no one is helping me. No one is helping me. Now it's your turn. The next one is, मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak. Let me speak. Now it's your turn. The next one is, समय बहुत जल्दी बीत जाता है. Time runs out very quickly. Time runs out very quickly. Now it's your turn. The next one is, क्या खुशबू है? What a fragrance. What a fragrance. Now it's your turn. The next one is, मुझे उसके खिलाफ मत भड़काओ. Don't provoke me against him. Don't provoke me against him. Now it's your turn. The next one is, लोग जो कहते हैं उन्हें कहने दो. Let people say what they want to say. Let people say what they want to say. Now it's your turn. The next one is, मुझे इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है. I have no doubt on it. I have no doubt on it. Now it's your turn. The next one is, मेरे नजरिए से यह गलत है. As per my view, it's wrong. As per my view, it's wrong. Now it's your turn. The next one is, उसे छोड़कर सब आए. Everyone came except him. Everyone came except him. Now it's your turn. The next one is, इसमें कितने दिन लगे? How many days did it take? How many days did it take? Now it's your turn. The next one is, वो शायद मुझे याद कर रहा है. He might be missing me. He might be missing me. Now it's your turn. The next one is, तुम इस काम से बच नहीं सकते. You can't escape from this work. You can't escape from this work. Now it's your turn. The next one is, तुम क्या करते हो? Friends, you can use this sentence for that person if you want to know from someone that what he do. So you can ask him like this. What do you do? What do you do? Now it's your turn. The next one is, तुम्हारे कितने भाई बहन हैं? How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? Now it's your turn. The next one is, वो अपनी शादी के लिए पैसे बचा रहा है. He is saving money for his marriage. He is saving money for his marriage. Now it's your turn. The next one is तुम बहुत सोचते हो. Friends, you can use this sentence for that person who think too much before doing anything for everything. So you can say you think too much. You think too much. Now it's your turn. The next one is बात को और ज़्यादा मत बढ़ाओ. Don't stretch the matter further. Don't stretch the matter further. Now it's your turn. The next one is उसने गलत इंसान से पंगा ले लिया. He messed with the wrong guy. He messed with the wrong guy. Now it's your turn. The next one is खाना बहुत स्वादिष्ट था. Friends, you can use this sentence that time when you had a delicious food and you want to give compliment to that person who prepared that food. So you can say the food was very delicious. The food was very delicious. Now it's your turn. The next one is मैं तुम्हारी शक्ल तक नहीं देखना चाहती. Friends, you can use this sentence for that person who really did something wrong with you and you don't want to see his face again. So you can say, I don't want to see your face. I don't want to see your face. Now it's your turn. The next one is ऐसा फिर कभी मत करना. Don't ever do it again. Don't ever do it again. Now it's your turn. The next one is खुद पर विश्वास रखो, तुम इंग्लिश जरूर बोलोगे. Believe on yourself, you will speak English surely. Believe on yourself, you will speak English surely. Now it's your turn. So friends, the last sentence was for you and I'm very sure that if you will do practice with me, so one day definitely you will speak English fluently. So friends, if you like this video, so hit like button because it gives me motivation to make more videos for you. So I will see you in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected and keep watching more videos.